Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set TikTok sound as your Android ringtone. So here, you can just open your TikTok and then find the different videos that has your favorite sound. For example, this one's right here. And after that, here you can just click on the share button, then copy the link of the video. Then you can move and open your browser, and here on the search column, just type in TikTok sound downloader. So in Google, there are so many options that you can select the TikTok music downloader. I'm going to just use this musically down. You can just paste the link that you copied before in the box right here. Click on paste. Now tap on download and just wait. You can see this is the video details, and if you scroll down, there will be this option download and battery now. So click on that option, click on the three dots icon and tap on download. And now this is the music. Okay, this one's right here. So now you can just go to your phone settings and then find the phone ringtone options. Just type in phone ringtone, this one. Click on the phone ringtone and then change it into the music download you download before. Click on the custom ringtone, and this is the music 4847. Click on that, and when you go back, it will be changed into your TikTok sound, your ringtone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.